Want to learn how to create the best posts on your Instagram story? You're in the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create the best Instagram stories. Now let's get started. We're going to start by covering the basics and features that are built into the Instagram app. If you're only interested in the more advanced stuff, skip ahead to the time listed on your screen now. Making a simple Instagram story is very easy to do. To start, tap the camera icon in the top left corner of the Instagram app. Then tap the circle button at the bottom to capture a photo, or tap and hold to capture a video. You can also upload photos or videos up to 15 seconds in length from your device's camera roll by swiping upwards from the bottom of your screen and selecting the image you want to use. There are lots of ways to dress up your stories built right into the app. Swipe your finger sideways across your screen to add a filter. To add text, tap the A at the top of your screen. Type in the text you'd like to add. You can change the text style by tapping the Style button at the top. Change the text color by tapping the colored circles below. You can draw something by tapping the pen icon. Select a color at the bottom of your screen and draw whatever you'd like. Tap the sticker icon at the top to access a ton of awesome sticker options. You can use these to tag your location, tag a friend, add a hashtag, the time, and more. We have videos specifically on the GIF and question sticker features if you'd like to learn more about them. Find links to those videos in the description box below. Scroll down to see even more sticker options. Tap Your Story at the bottom to post the photo or video to your story. Now that we've gotten through the more basic stuff, we have some more advanced tips for things you can do outside of Instagram before uploading to your story. Using an editing app like the InShot photo and video editor, you can do even more. Download InShot for free on your iPhone or Android device. Select whether you want to edit a video, a photo, or make a collage. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting video. Now, select the video you want to edit. You'll see a toolbar near the bottom with a variety of editing options. You can cut down the length of a video with the trim tool. Drag the arrows at the ends of the video to adjust the part of the video you want to keep. Keep in mind that you can only post videos up to 15 seconds long on your Instagram story. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Tap Canvas to adjust the size of your video. The ideal size for Instagram stories is 9:16. If you'd like to add a border around your video, drag the circle on the slider below it to adjust accordingly. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Tap Filter to access a variety of colored filters. Tap a filter to see what it looks like. Tap Effect to see special effect options. Tap the play icon to see a preview of what an effect looks like on your video. Tap Adjust to get access to more advanced editing options like lightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Again, tap the check mark to save your changes. You can add music to your video with the Music tool. You can add music from InShot's free music library or use a song from your device. We have an in-depth tutorial on how to add music to your Instagram stories up on our channel already. We'll link that video down below. Add fun stickers with the Sticker tool, or add text with the Text tool. Tap the color wheel to change the color of text. You can move the stickers or text around to sit wherever you want them on your video. Adjust the speed of your video with the Speed tool. Drag the circle to the right to make it go faster, or to the left to slow it down. Tap the check mark to save. The BG tool allows you to edit your image's background color. If you chose to add a border around your video, this will change the color of the border. Scroll down to see a selection of patterned background options. Rotate your video 90 degrees at a time by tapping Rotate. Flip the video vertically by tapping Flip. When you're happy with how your video looks, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Then tap Save. Your video will now have been saved to your device's camera roll. To share it directly to Instagram, tap the Instagram icon. Then select Story. Add any additional stickers or effects you'd like to include. Then tap Your Story to post it. That does it for our tips and tricks to making the best Instagram stories. Be sure to check out our other Instagram tutorials linked in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.